So if you have another tips, if you have no too much wood like this, okay, you can use only paper to make a fire. Okay, that's the simple like that. See? It's a simple like that. Okay? Just to create a fire for your cooking instead wasting money for electric power. You know what I mean? That's the basic tutorial how to save money in this summer. So because it's hot, so if you have lots of not too much money in your wallet or pocket, you can use paper for only boiling to your cooking. So see, it's easy to save your woods instead you buying foods or finding anywhere woods in the road, under the tree, in the park. Is the best thing to do. See, the important there's a fire even without woods. See, I'm not using my other woods just to save my woods, so only paper because I have lots of paper. So we need this to burn it instead of stock to create a mess. See, the important you are beside the fire. Don't leave it a long time. It's just a paper only, so the important the food is boiling. Okay, so if you're close to your project, see, if you have no foods like this and then you're having making a project, no problem. The important you save your money in having you restoring your cabinet for extra income. So this is the best thing to do. Okay, see, I'm using the old wet paper. See, instead using a power. So there's only power for your range. See, so this is tips if you're in a backyard instead using electric power because expensive and lots of different bills including rent. That's all I can say to you based on my experience and knowledge to save your money. Instead buy a woods or a gas or propane. This is only tips. Okay, in my YouTube channel. It's the most important. Okay. The reason why is here, that's to save or create something, uh, how to save money to your electric power. See, easy. So guys, that's all I can give to you. Another tips for today. If you have not too much wood or you have lots of papers, you can use it create a part to your reheating food, leftovers, or boiling for your bones to become make a soup for your lunch, supper, and breakfast. That's the best thing, especially winter. That's the best thing to do to save your money. So that is the topic for today: how to save your goods and money in the range or power. See, it's easy. So subscribe for more updating amazing tips for this week and the following week, next month, and next year. So like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for upcoming videos to come about your tips how to save like this. Okay? So for now, only I using a paper. Even I have a lots of woods, different woods from the trees, from the old couch. Okay, so this is it. Save. See, it's almost dry. The water from the sausages because of fire. Okay, and the soup and the leftovers. See. Okay, see you guys. Hopefully you liked this video for today. So subscribe in my YouTube channel and click the notification bell for upcoming videos to come. Okay, see you guys.